In my previous video, I showed how to update the firmware for the Netgear hotspot, the Nighthawk M1 Gigabit LTE mobile router. And surprisingly, there were 2 firmware updates, so I can show you how it's done on a mobile phone. So right now, the mobile router is on, and there's a notification that there's an update available from the cell phone. From the cell phone, you basically call the mobile app. So we go to the home, and I would have to type in the name of it, which is mobile. And it's this one right here, the Netgear mobile app. So it starts up. We'll automatically log in. Sorry, it doesn't remember my password, so I'm going to move the screen off to the side while I type in my password. So I've typed in my password. Click on sign in. Is it not working? Let's try this one more time. Okay, so I've typed in my password again. I click on sign in. And it is sign in, and on the top you'll see a message that says firmware update available for download. So what you do is you just click on it, and it gives you the instructions. So what you have to do is you click on the menu button, which is right here. You go into settings. Oops. Click here. Go into settings. And you select firmware, and you say download update. Okay. So like it was on the computer, it's going to start to download the update. You'll see a message on the device itself that says update currently downloading. And the speed here is somewhat slow, so I'm going to stop the video because it's only at 1%, and I'll continue the video once it's completed the download, and we'll resume from there. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do the rest of the update or capture it on video at least, but it performed the exact same way as on the Windows computer that I showed. After the mobile hotspot or mobile router restarted, it got the same mobile broadband disconnected, and after a few seconds it would connect back to the Fido network, and everything was fine after that. When going back into the firmware menu on my smartphone and doing a check for updates, it then showed a message saying that there were no updates available. So if you have any questions, you can post it below, and I'll be sure to answer it. And if you like videos on technology, gadgets, or the Nikon D5300 or Nikon D5600, please consider subscribing to my channel, where you'll be notified of new videos. Thank you.